Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the lighting design interface in Coohom, a key feature for enhancing any space with the perfect lighting setup. Whether you're designing for a residential or commercial project, mastering this tool can really elevate your design. To access the lighting design feature, head to the Advanced Tools section. Click on Lighting option. Once you're in, you'll see a streamlined interface. On the left, you have a comprehensive lamp library to choose from. This option filled with a variety of lighting types. At the top, there's a lighting design toolbar with key tools. You'll find options like the LED strip generator, where you can add LED strips to your design, and the lighting scenarios tool, which allows you to set up lighting modes and groupings. Coohom also features a lighting calculation function that generates a computational surface, and you can even export your results for further use. One standout feature is the lighting simulation tool, which is a specialized rendering option dedicated to lighting design. It's highly recommended to set up your lamps in 3D viewing mode to ensure your light effects are displayed accurately. Here, you can adjust the light effects in real time using the live preview feature. On the right side of the interface, you'll find the lighting edit bar, where you can fine-tune the lighting elements. This includes editing the color of the light, adjusting the brightness, and much more to create the perfect ambiance. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about Coohom's powerful features, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what other Coohom features you'd like to explore next. See you in the next video.